Hi dear all students. Last video we learned about properties of air and we saw how gaseous state air is used as a important natural resource for all living world. Now in today's video we learn next natural source resource, that is, without this source our life cannot complete. Yes student, properties of water. We are going to start now our next part through various definitions, various new terms, various properties of this water as an important life source. We are going to learn in a very deep way. So one by one we'll start with our proper explanation, students. Properties of water. First, I will ask some questions to you, students. What are the states in which water is found? Just like air is found in a gaseous state which we cannot see but we feel surrounding our area. Wherever we are, air is there and we feel that air. Maybe cool air, maybe hot, like that. What are the states in which this water is found? Which water we use for various work. What inference will you draw from the some pictures are there alongside? What are your conclusion from that pictures? See student, what they done here. Observe the picture carefully. So from these all pictures we learn all the properties of water in a very nice way. Yes students, which water we are using in our daily life, it is available in all three states. All three types, that is liquid, solid and gaseous, but in each state the water use is different, or we can see water in this all three state, but generally which water we are using for our work, day to day's work, for drinking, for cleaning, for bathing, all this water is in a liquid state. This water is a fluid substance. Fluid means which can flow from one place to another. वाहणारा पातळ पदार्थ. Water does not have its own shape. पाण्याला त्याचा स्वतःचा आकार नसतो. ज्या भांड्यात आपण पाणी टाकतो त्याचा आकार ते पाणी घेतं. पाण्याला रंग सुद्धा नसतो. पाण्याचा रंग आपल्याला त्यात विरघळलेल्या वेगवेगळ्या पदार्थांमुळे वेगवेगळा दिसू शकतो. Sometimes student, you can see water from a long distance. It's beautifully look like a blue color. Sometimes you may saw river water flowing greenish in color also. If we mix colors in a water, that color water is in front of you. Sometimes when we are washing clothes in a water, if that clothes are new one, sometime that color goes and that color, when we wash that cloth in that water take the color of that cloth. So in this way it is clear that a property of water is that water does not have its own shape but has a volume. It can pass through small holes or sip through very small gaps or cracks. It can flow from a small place also. Example of one balloon is shown here, which balloon is filled with water, and after filling by water, some holes are prepared with the help of needles. You can see the water is coming out from each hole. One more example is here, a sink is filled or tank is filled with water, and the flow of water from three places they shown, three levels. Suppose this one example in our home I will give to student. We may have pot in our house which have cork to them. पाणी पिण्यासाठी भरलेली टीप किंवा मातीचा माठ, त्याला कॉक लावून मिळालेले असतात. फ्रॉम दॅट कॉक प्लेस अरेंजमेंट इज देअर टू ऑन or off the tap. We can stop the flow of water by making that off. When we open that cork, water can flow from that small hole. So here in example they shown three places hole, and they are collecting in another bucket or bowl that coming water. It shows us water can pass through small holes or sip through very small gaps or cracks. One more thing is there they shown, on pouring water in an oil cladded dish, water does not spread but forms small round drops. Why does this happen? You may do this experiment at your home and take this experience that take a dish and you put some amount of water in that dish and add 2-3 drops of oil. After some time you can see that water cannot spread but forms a small round drops. Either the oil or the water drops form a round shaped drops. Water and oil both are liquid, but they cannot mix in each other due to difference of their volume. So this is today's our part student, that we learn properties of water. Next video also we learn more about the water properties through various examples. In your notebook, for a short note purpose, you will write down this paragraph which is on the screen. That is only a water occur in liquid state para till crack. Next video will discuss about more experiment at home level also you will do students. Hope so you are all understanding my explanation. Till next video, be safe at home. Take care. Have a nice day students. Thank you. Bye bye.